Hey guys, welcome back to another Dividend Portfolio update video. If you're new here on this channel, I do weekly update videos going over my dividend portfolio after my weekly deposits. So let's jump right into what I bought and how my portfolio did this week. So if you guys are in the market, you can definitely tell that it's a down week. Portfolio is down about $333 today, about 1.89%. Overall, the portfolio is down $523.61, but we have gained $189.89 in dividends. We can take a quick look at those. We'll just scroll through them because we've been over them many times. They're definitely getting bigger. We're getting dividends all the time. However, we did not get any dividends this week. Let's jump into what we bought. So for this week, you can see we had a $200 deposit, no dividends earned. We put $199 across 11 buys. $4.33 into SPHD, $3.45 into AbbVie, $2.04 into Realty Income, $21.98 into Coca-Cola, $16.97 into Union Pacific, $22.90 into Walgreens. We put $83.50 into Target, $2.10 into Johnson & Johnson, $4.69 into Pepsi, $35.49 of it went to AT&T, and the last $1.71 went to Procter & Gamble. So that's our 11 buys for our $200 weekly deposit. Jumping back to the home screen, if we look at the full all-time chart, it's kind of hard to see what's been going on. I found if I look at the quarter, it shows the best. So minus the big jump here, you can see we ended around 20,000. We slowly were adding every week. We fought our way up to a peak of around 22,300 somewhere in here. Yeah, there it is, $22,354. And ever since then, we've just kind of fallen off even though we're adding every week. So we're lowering our cost basis. We're not really worried about it. I just want you guys to see we're still adding. I want you guys to see more or less the progression and what it looks like. It's definitely not straight up. It's nothing exciting, but it is still generating more and more passive income through dividends. And jumping over to the dividend tracker, I've updated it to where we have only the holdings we want to see here. So now we can go through every single holding. You can see there was so many columns that you couldn't even see all of the actual good information. There was so much fluff. So now I have it down to where we can see every stat for every stock that I own. We can break it up by either weight to the portfolio, annual income. Those are my stocks with the biggest. We can look at them. Altria is bringing in $73.43 per year. Next biggest is $63.71. That's Verizon. AT&T, $61.38. These two are actually worrying me. They're going down a lot faster than their yield is making up. And so I'm definitely have a sharp eye on these two. They might be on their way out. I'm not really liking it. Let me know what your guys' comments are on AT&T and Verizon over the next 10 years. And our fourth biggest dividend income provider is $55.07 from Walgreens Boots Alliance. And let's check out some of the lowest ones. You can see with the same amount of money from McDonald's, we're getting $18.74. From Clorox, we're getting $21.85. From General Mills, we're getting $22.10. But at the same time, look at the plus. These are the ones that if we sort by P&L, the ones with the lowest percent all have the biggest gains. So that's where it's balancing out the portfolio and where it's good to be diversified and why I sacrificed the lower yield on a lot of my stocks. I'm realizing I only have one share of Broadcom. I sort by shares. I have 1.386 shares of Broadcom. It's a $721 stock. But it really doesn't make a difference whether you have one share or 55 shares. What matters is the dividend yield. 2.7% on Broadcom, but it's up 22%. Whereas AT&T, down 18%, but brings in 7% income per year. Now, it's not always like that, but it is give or take sometimes. Our dividend yield is now 3.67 because this month the stocks have gone down quite a bit, so our yield is going up. Our yield on cost, you can see, is a little bit lower at 3.68 since it's gone up a little bit. May income, I'm expected to make $82.66. I've already made $79.65 of it. And by next week or 2 weeks, we'll be up to the big goal of $850 every year of passive dividend income coming in, guys. This is very exciting. I hope you're following along. If you're not already, hit the subscribe button. Make sure and hit the like button. We're here every single week. Financial Freedom from Dividends. I'm going to be here for the long haul, guys, every single Friday. Please follow along on the journey. We're trying to get monetized on YouTube to put even more money into the dividend portfolio and help speed up the dividend snowball. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and until next time, peace.